Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be seeing if there are any cherries on the cherry tree here. We're going to be peeking into the forest right here, all this stuff. Going to be going out to the pool, see if there's anything. I don't know where's the cherry tree. Let's just real quickly find it. Okay. It's a wild beach ball. Yeah. One zoom. What? Where's the cherry tree? I need help from my mom. One sec, guys. Okay, I have some help from my mom here. Is it that big one right there? No, or is it the pink one?
I think it's the one with the purplish leaves.
Oh, okay. Cherry blossom? Is it a cherry blossom? Oh, my grandparents have a cherry blossom here. Strawberries, but they're not fully grown. Dang it. Really want some strawberries. Think I see a bigger strawberry here? No, that's just a leaf. Thought that was a bigger strawberry. Jesus, isn't it raining a lot? Raining so much. I don't see any cherries. I don't see any cherries. Sorry guys, I kind of got a cold at the moment. That's what I'm doing. Well, I don't know if it's a cold. Well, don't think it is, but it's just a lot of mucus. There's some poison ivy right over there. You can't see it yet though. Right, be careful, bro. You're wearing Crocs. They have 3 leaves. Let them be. Oh my God, that's poison ivy right there. This stuff is poison ivy right here. That's poison ivy. Oh God, this is scary. I don't really want to get poison ivied by poison ivy plants. So I'm gonna leave them be. Okay, we're still looking. We haven't really looked in the forest yet. I tried live streaming, but since I got too far away from the house, it did not get it disconnected and yeah. And still, even when I got to the house, it didn't reconnect. What's that open space right there? There's an open space. What is that? I need the zoom camera to help me out here. Don't see anything. Yeah, under this thing, this giant ant colony. Wait. Giant ant colony. Hello. Oh, I think it's under here. Can't see it at all. I'm just gonna leave the ants be. Let them do their thing. By the way, I'm wearing pajama pants right now and they're kind of wet. Going into the pool to see if we can find anything in the pool, because there are a lot of things that just fall in the pool since since the animals around here mostly insects and amphibians. And yeah, crap. Yeah. Bro, what the heck? One sec. This might take a while. Oh my God, bruh. Okay, what's that? I got it. It didn't take that long. I just need to use 2 hands. Also, I was like holding this with one hand. Hello. That spider right there? Yo, I think I see a spider. Yeah, that's a spider. One sec, I'm pulling this out. Oh my god. Crap. It's like on this thing still somehow. Yo, that's a spider. Yo, look at that. Look at that spider, bro. It can hold his breath. It's a wolf spider with its babies on its back. You can only see a couple if you look really closely. Get off! Go into the real world thing. Well, spider. Don't want to insult it. Okay. Is it on? Is it back on this thing? No, it's not. Oh crap! Yo, did it just die? Bro, it just died out of nowhere. The heck? I don't know what just happened. Maybe it got squished by the thing that I just pulled out. I don't know. More looking. Bro, it's only been 6 minutes. It feels like it's been like 2 hours. Well, more like 20 minutes, actually. Bro, what's that? Is that open space over there, huh? Yo, see if we can see anything. Yeah, I don't really see anything, not gonna lie. Yo, see back here. Let's just look. Let's look. One time, there was like a huge black snake. It was a sneaky snake, and like, it was just standing still. It was like, okay, so the length was right here, all the way to here. It was ginormous. And then it just slithered away under there. And then we didn't see it. Yo. Basement door right here. This is how you enter the basement. But we're not doing the basement tour. We're doing outside tour. Getting some fresh air, looking at the beauty of nature. Anything here? No. I don't see anything. That doesn't mean there's not anything there. I gotta go inside real quick, and I might have to end the video because my pants are getting so wet. Biggest strawberry you've seen. Okay, let me just get the camera to focus on it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video real quick. I'll see you guys in the next one. Wow.